This is Jabba, and Jabba is a very young adult male. He's extremely playful, he's extremely cuddly, and he's got wonderfully soft fur. He's posing for you, and he is at our Southern Ag location here in Owasso. And he is a very sweet boy. He loves to be petted, he loves to be played with. Jabba! And he likes to chase his ball. He likes feathers. Oh, and he likes the other cats, as you can see. Jabba! Anyhow, we hope that you'll come by and take a look at him. He's very sweet, seems interested in other cats, very playful, and now he's out of sight. Anyhow, as I was saying, Jabba likes feathers. He loves to be petted. Loves to have his ears scratched, like most kitties. But he's very playful, very kittenish. Very soft.